This is my synthetic blend wig, and I'm about to transform this wig. I was almost throwing this wig away, guys, but I decided to give this wig another chance, because you know it's supposed to be a deep wave wig, but it just has this very weird kind of coils. Like I didn't like it at all. I've had this for almost a year now, so I decided, I even wanted taking the closure off and use it maybe for braided wig, but I was like, maybe there's still something you can do to this wig. So guys, if you're thinking about throwing away your synthetic wig, please don't. Please don't. Try to do something with it. Maybe change the style. You know, you can straighten it in case it's a coily wig. You know, just watch and see how I transformed this wig. Guys, this wig is so soft. It feels like 4C hair that is relaxed. That's how it feels. Very soft, and you would not even know that it's a synthetic. Even when you come close to me, you would not know that it's a synthetic wig. Yeah, it has this kind of yucky texture to it, but it feels like 4C hair that has been relaxed. Very, very soft 4C hair. So yeah, I'll be going track by track, and then I'll be working in small sections. This would help me get it to be very, very straight, and then I would always detangle with my paddle brush. Please guys, it's very important to detangle. And then I did more than one pass, like I did several passes to get it to be very, very straight. And here I just did it without any product. Guys, this wig took up to 200 degrees centigrade. Like that's the highest this straightener can get to. It took the highest. I didn't use any heat protector. I wanted to see if the wig was going to burn, but it didn't. So after this, you will see that I would now start using heat protector. The heat protector I used is the olive oil heat protector serum. That was what I used, and I didn't use too much because I didn't want it to weigh the hair down. So yeah, that's about it. The remaining of this video is very, very self-explanatory. So initially when I got the wig, I already plucked it. I think the closure came bleached already. I didn't need to bleach the knot, so yeah, I just plucked it, brought out some baby hairs then, but I still didn't like the style, so I'm just using my hot comb to make it flat. I didn't need to pluck this hair again because I've done that already. That's just why I'm here to explain. Yay, and it's a hit, it's a success. I'm very happy as to how it turned out. Like, oh, it's imagine, I was almost throwing this away, imagine. But see how it turned out. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. It's looking gorgeous, so soft, you know. It looks like my hair, like my natural hair. That's the texture it has. Very soft, like this cute yaki texture. I'm using my foundation now to make the part more visible, you know, just to make it blend with my skin more.